Greetings, everyone, and a warm welcome. In this video, I will be talking about social learning theories and explore their diverse principles. Let us try to understand social learning theories. Social learning theories is a broad term that encompasses several psychological theories and perspectives emphasizing the influence of social interactions on learning and behavior. Social learning theories encompass various psychological perspectives that highlight the influence of social interactions on learning and behavior. These theories emphasize the importance of observation, modeling, and the social context in shaping individual development. Here's a brief description of key social learning theories. 1. Social cognitive theory, AlbertBandura. Observational learning. People learn by observing others. Modeling. Individuals imitate the behaviors of role models. Reciprocal determinism. Personal factors, behavior, and the environment interact. Self-efficacy. Belief in one's ability to successfully perform tasks. Application. Social cognitive theory is widely applied in education, therapy, and workplace settings. It explains how individuals learn new behaviors through observation, modeling, and the cognitive processes involved in decision-making. 2. Social identity theory, HenriTajfel. Social categorization. Individuals categorize themselves and others into social groups. Social comparison. People evaluate their own group in comparison to others. Social identity, emotional significance, and pride associated with belonging to a social group. Application. Social identity theory is often applied to understand intergroup dynamics, prejudice, and discrimination. It sheds light on how people derive their sense of self from group affiliations. 3. Social constructivism, LevVygotsky. Zone of proximal development, ZPD. The gap between what a learner can do independently and with assistance. Scaffolding, providing support to help learners achieve tasks within their ZPD. Social interaction, learning is a collaborative process through dialogue. Application. Social constructivism has significant implications in education, emphasizing the importance of social interaction, collaboration, and guidance from more knowledgeable individuals in the learning process. 4. Communities of practice, Jean Lave and Etienne Wenger. Learning as participation. Learning is an integral part of engaging in social communities. Legitimate peripheral participation. Beginners start with simple tasks and gradually engage in more complex activities. Socialization. New members learn from experienced members through shared activities. Application. Communities of practice theory is applied in organizational settings to understand knowledge sharing, skill development, and socialization within professional communities. 5. Social exchange theory, George Hohmann's reciprocity. Individuals seek positive outcomes and rewards in social interactions. Costs and benefits. People assess the costs and benefits of their actions. Social interdependence, the mutual influence and dependence of individuals in social relationships. Application. Social exchange theory is commonly used in sociology and organizational behavior to analyze interpersonal relationships, cooperation, and the dynamics of reciprocal exchanges. Let me now discuss the various principles of social learning theories. Social learning theories encompass various principles that highlight the role of social interactions, observation, and modeling in shaping human behavior. Below are some key principles commonly associated with social learning theories. 1. Observational learning. People learn by observing others. Explanation. Individuals can acquire new behaviors, attitudes, or emotional reactions by witnessing the actions and outcomes of others. 2. Modeling. Individuals imitate the behaviors of role models. Explanation. People are more likely to adopt behaviors they observe in others, especially if the model is perceived as competent, attractive, or possessing authority. 3. Reciprocal determinism. Personal factors, behavior, and the environment interact. Explanation: the interplay between cognitive processes, individual actions, and the surrounding environment is dynamic and reciprocal. 4. Vicarious reinforcement: learning by observing the consequences, reinforcements, or punishments experienced by others. Explanation: individuals may be more likely to adopt a behavior if they witness positive outcomes or avoid behaviors that lead to negative consequences for others. 5. Self-efficacy: belief in one's ability to successfully perform specific tasks. Explanation: higher self-efficacy is associated with increased motivation, effort, and persistence in pursuing goals or tasks. 6. Behavioral rehearsal: mentally practicing or rehearsing a behavior before actual performance. Explanation: individuals engage in internal cognitive processes to simulate or imagine performing a behavior, facilitating better preparedness. 7. Social comparison: individuals evaluate their own abilities or opinions in comparison to others. Explanation: comparing oneself to others provides a basis for assessing one's skills, beliefs, or attitudes. 8. Cognitive mediation: cognitive processes mediate the influence of observational learning on behavior. Explanation: the mental processing of information, including attention, memory, and decision-making, plays a crucial role in determining whether observed behaviors are adopted. 9. Identification: individuals are more likely to imitate models with whom they identify or share similarities. Explanation: people are more inclined to imitate those they perceive as similar, whether in terms of age, gender, or other relevant characteristics. 10. Expectancy value theory: learning and behavior are influenced by the individual's expectations of success and the perceived value or importance of the outcomes. Explanation: the anticipated positive outcomes and the perceived value of those outcomes affect motivation and the likelihood of adopting a particular behavior. These principles collectively form the foundation of social learning theories, providing insights into how individuals learn, develop, and adapt their behavior based on social interactions and environmental influences. Social learning theories have broad applications in education, psychology, sociology, and organizational behavior. Thank you, everyone. If you're passionate about education and teacher training, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel Education and Teacher Education at Shokeen Bilal.